Hey guys, I am back. This is part 2 of the AFRAM 2025 in Baltimore, Maryland, where Black Americans, African Americans, a bunch of them gathers here. I cannot say it is the first time I see so many black people, but definitely I am in my element here. With my own kind, you see, blacks everywhere. I mean, if I have to do a head count, I think there are probably close to 40,000 people here, gathering, eating, family, kids, you know, this is a family event here. So this is the second part. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to give you an overview of what's going on here, and then later on, go in front of the stage and see exactly if I can give you a little bit of the performances going on there. So I may not stay until 9 o'clock because so many people are here, and I don't want to get up, caught up with the melee if we have to leave around 9 o'clock. So probably around 8 o'clock, then I will leave, and then probably come back tomorrow. I'll let you know. But in the meantime, I am so happy I am here, and then that gives me some kind of a perspective when it comes to doing streaming. I have all the equipment, but that doesn't mean that the equipment are truly set up for streaming. Although I am streaming live on TikTok, but because there are so many people around here, the cell phone tower cannot really withstand the Wi-Fi strength to push the TikTok signal out. I was doing YouTube, and then midway, I have to shut down my YouTube feed. So therefore, I'm going to have to go back and then go to the drawing board and see if I can get the satellite, the mini, Starlink mini. Probably that will give me a better chance. So when I do my TikTok live, when I do my Facebook, my YouTube, my Twitch live, because I want to stream on all those platforms, but therefore, using the 5G network is not enough. Specifically when you have, Nico, show them, when you have so many people around here. Matter of fact, there was a guy who asked me for my number, and I gave him the QR code so he can get all my information. He could not even log in because of the latency of the Wi-Fi signal. So, as I said, I am trying my best to do TikTok, but in order for me to push this one here, I have to do it 720 AP instead of 1080, not even HD. Forget 4K. Then I'm recording offline, and then later on I will load it on my TikTok page and my YouTube page, and then you will see the real footages and then the interview. I'm going to try to talk to some people. All right, Nico, let me take over now. Now, Nico is the one in charge of the photo. And then if you guys go to my Instagram pages, you will see a bunch of pictures later when we are going to load. Then you are going to have so much fun watching these pictures here. So far, Nico have taken around like 200 pictures so far. And I don't know how many he wants to capture, but so far, Nico loves taking videos. And then me, this is my passion, doing videos, and that's what it is. So guys, you should see. I want to give you an overview of what's going on, and then you can see a lot of people. Happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, a lot of people here having fun. A bunch of young kids enjoying it. And this is the atmosphere here. Nico, stay close to me. All right? If I have to do some interviews, I want you to hold the camera for me. All right? So, one of the things is that there is an Asian booth. Not booth, I mean, there were some Asians who were sitting earlier, and then I was talking to them, and I told them I will be back to ask them questions, you know, and do some interviews. If I see them, I will probably sit down and have a tete-a-tete. So forgive me, guys, if my TikTok feed is not as strong as it should be. But I'm trying my best to give you a good view of what's going on. And you can see the views. You can see the views. People start coming.
Okay. What up, Baltimore? Y'all having a good time tonight?
Yeah.
Y'all ready for the 99 and 2000? Yeah!
They start coming here.
It ain't that time yet.
People start coming.
Now we gonna pay some bills. We gotta thank
Making
all
sure
the folks outside
I
the
get
city helping
everybody.
put this on today. So I'm gonna bring out all of our sponsors onto the stage. We're gonna recognize all of them right now. I'm gonna call them out right now.
Wow.
The West North Avenue Development Authority.
I did not get exactly the exact spot where they are. Of Gade.
Bank of America.
Guys, you can see. Let me get a little bit further up so you can see what I'm talking about. A little bit further up, guys.
Albia got hands. Albia got hands. And bodies. Big. Casa Permanente. Yeah. And last but not least,
wow.
our media sponsor. Make some noise for WJZ TV.
So I'm trying to give you as much leeway, you know. Now this is the Haitian crew now.
All right. We also want to thank, hold on, JJ. We also want to thank Bit Wine, Maryland.
Hey, this is my Haitian crew now. I have come for some interviews. Who wants to talk to me? Okay, let me get to here. Politician. Hold on. Oh, ma pose une question. Oh. Qui me pose une question? You live on TikTok?
Live.
Oh, you live? Oh, tu m'en là? Où peut parler? Oh, je te que t'en parles pour parler là. Hein? Vous pensez que je vais être lié? Qu'est-ce que ça? Nico! Hey!
To the front gate.
We are on TikTok! Hey!
They got that 360 camera out.
All right. Alright, Sam, you come down, Sabunula. Alright, sit down now, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Woo. So, comment est? Et comment est le même? Quel est le microphone non more?
Woodens Vital.
Hein?
Woodens Vital.
Woodens Vital.
Yeah, Woodens Vital.
Et le bâtiment habité même?
C'est là?
Le bâtiment habité même?
New Jersey. Nous étions là.
Ni vrai tout?
Ouais.
New Jersey.
Côté.
Maintenant la peine.
Oh, Trenton.
Vous venez là chaque année, non ça?
Maybe 3 years ago. So, not chaque année, but
okay.
Vous
venez avec toute famille là?
Yeah, so, c'est tous les amis là, dans New Jersey, les amis le collège, c'est fait là. So, tous les amis so des groupes amis.
So, tant ça nous venons avec.
Exactly.
Ça vous venez tout préparé.
Ça?
Vous venez tout préparé.
Ok. Nous avons des têtes, des couleurs, nous avons glow, nous avons paquet de bagages.
Et manger, vous avez mangé tout?
Et manger, nous finissons.
Oh!
But.
Ah, Yang Jean. Manger haïtien.
Oh, vous pas manger haïtien. Vous pas manger haïtien.
Ah, qui a sous maillé? Avec ton américain?
Non. Madame, moi, c'est haïtien.
Mais pourquoi vous manger haïtien?
Non, mais. Nous pas comme ça. Petit. So, nous pas coûte belle manger haïtien.
Ok. Elles sont confortables par l'anglais tout? Elles sont confortables par l'anglais tout? Okay. Now we're going to transition to English.
Okay, perfect.
Because I'm trying to reach as much as possible.
Yeah.
I want them to understand what's going on.
Yeah.
So what is your first impression of this?
Oh, AFRAM, I love it, man. I love the culture. I love Baltimore. I've been here 10 years. when I first came, I came for school, and I never left.
You never left.
So I have 2 degrees, pursuing a 3rd degree. I have a non-profit I work with in Baltimore, so I love the city.
Okay.
Yeah.
So definitely, my first impression is that while there were so many black people here, how come we Haitian, we do not represent?
You know, honestly, it's because the Haitians don't come together enough. So when I first came to Baltimore, I didn't even know that we had so many Haitians here.
We do?
Yeah, we have a good amount. So like Community IET is a group that works in Baltimore full of Haitians. They host a festival every August at Patterson Park. But I didn't know about them until my 8th year in Baltimore.
Every August?
Every August.
Do you know the date?
Huh?
Do you know the date? Exactly
right now I don't know the date. I can get it for you though.
Yeah, before I leave, I want to have your contact and send them to me. Because my job...
Oh, yeah.
All over.
Every August, Committee at the IT, Patterson Park, the Haitian Festival. Haitian band, Haitian food, Haitian vendors. It's a great time. But again, I didn't know about it until my 8th year here.
8th year, wow.
Yeah, and I found out from it. So I used to do events in Baltimore, right? So I met a brother who does real estate. We were talking, he said, oh, I'm Haitian. Oh, I said, blah, blah, blah. He told me about it.
He told you about it.
He's like, oh yeah, I have a committee, I do work. I'm like, oh really? I didn't know. I didn't even know the Haitians were here.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So after that, I got connected with him and then the committee. I've been going to their festival every year. Again, I've been there probably 3 of the last couple years. And because I didn't know about it, it's him.
So are you going to do both days? You coming back tomorrow?
Well, I'm not coming back tomorrow. So me and my guys got to visit one of my good brothers. He's married, 2 kids. He's not here today. So we're going to visit him and his wife in Laurel.
Okay.
So we're not coming tomorrow, but we got fun today.
Yeah, because I heard that tomorrow will be Paxi Label.
Oh yeah, tomorrow for the old people. Patty LaBelle, you know, 30, 40, 50, that's who's going to be here.
I don't know if I'm going to make it tomorrow, but definitely I am so proud and so happy to see so many black.
Yeah.
I think that I'm in my element here.
Yeah.
And you know,
look at time, man. Look, this is beautiful.
Yeah, and you're talking about family. The way that they portray us in the media, that we black, we are like single motherhood, single this, single that. That's what I see.
Exactly. It's a great time. Look at this.
Yes.
Family, love.
Yes.
Well, c'est madame, oui?
Yeah.
C'est madame, là, oui?
Madame, on va la faire, lui, vini. Madame, mariée. Lui, vini, non, on va venir parler, il vient parler. Yeah. Oh, où peut caméra, madame mariée? So, c'est 100 000 qui là. Madame mariée. Viens dire deux mots, Viens pour Tichida. Un peu.
You came back for an interview for real.
I come for the food now. Buy my demo microphone now.
What's up, dog? What's up, boss?
You told me to come back for the food.
I know I don't have any more. I have one more.
Huh?
I have one more for you.
Ha.
Miguel. Can we take it back? Salmon.
So what did you?
Salmon, gelatin, herbs, cheese. Very, very good. It's a little slider.
Oh, it's a slider.
It's a slider. Yeah. It's a salmon slider. She made it.
Okay. Pour me say next time we va go bouffe. Et puis nous faire ensemble.
It's good.
M'investi.
It's good, man. It's good. I promise you.
Nico, ouvre le bagage. Enquête debout. Nico est dans la caméra.
It's good. Yeah, take a bite, man. The flavor, right? That's a little flavor. Yes.
Yeah,
Next time. He wanted you to make it here. I'm like, nah. For here, nah.
Okay, but
Oh, God.
what is your first impression here?
Woo! We game Soup Moon. So many people. Okay. There's so many people here. It's good. It's good. It's good vibes. Good time. We here enjoying each other. You know, it's a good time. I'm having a good time.
Is it your first time visiting?
Yeah.
But that's what?
So the first time you knew about it?
Yeah, the first time. He lives here. He lives here.
You don't know about it?
Yes.
Do you can to come next year?
What?
Next year, do you can to come here?
The next year? I'll come next year.
You think you have next year?
They need to have a Haitian artist. Haitian artist. They need to have a Haitian artist on there.
We should.
For compa.
We should have it like a DJ.
Mr. Compa. Okay, compa, next time.
Next year, we're supposed to have our own booth. Cooking food.
Oh, yeah.
You know how to cook well?
Tell us about...
She's a good cook.
One of the best.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, what do you want to say to my viewers?
I want to say that we're having a great time. Shout out to every Haitian, okay? We are having a great time and we're out here, yes.
Listen, shout out to the Haitian culture. Make sure...
Why don't you drink that one, Bedu?
Listen, shout out to Haitian culture. Shout out to the productions. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Enjoy AFRAM, baby. Have a great time, my boss. Of course.
Haitian for life.
Haitian for life. Know that. Paulin Productions.
I'm going to give you my contact. Nico, let me say contact me. Contact me. On consultant, mais nous n'avons pas hier là. Là, les dégages sont côté, et ils viennent avec nous. Pas comme des gars là.
AFRAM 2025, DJ Reds. Keep it cool. Trying to get please. Said you want to dance real high. Oh.
That's very nice,
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Spin that back in. Whoa.
Bon, vous prenez? Hein? Non, ouais, j'ai ma bague. Pas besoin de l'aime.
True.
Hein?
True. Hey, fellas.
Just text me. Because I'm on TikTok now, I won't be able to text you. Text me and then I'll talk to you later. Right? We'll start you in New Jersey. We'll meet sometime. Because I have a nice quartet.
That's right. I see the little Kim fan.
In January,
I see the real
I plan to go to Brazil.
I see you over there.
It's going to be a network, a club. When you be a member of it, you can bring your wife. Love you. That's what I'm doing. That is why I'm doing all this. To connect with my people.
I'll let you know, man. I'll be there.
Okay? All right. Let's go. You go, I move. I can tell you that, don't you? Back. I'm alley. Hey, come on, Jidra. Come on, mama. Hey,
Y'all sound so good.
my dear. Who been playing back by myself? I'm going to buy boom.
Oh, okay. You want to go?
No, she. Okay, thank you. I'll talk to your husband, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I have a big project for Brazil.
Oh.
And I would love you guys to be part of it.
Yes. You have his contact? Okay.
All right, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Right? Go.
This is
Ou pas loin là. Ouais, je vais faire photo. Fais photo madame Nino. Hey, allez. Picture. Go. Picture. On the picture. Ça c'est haïtien yo. On bonne femme ba yo. Yo bon mauvais qui charge éclairé là-dedans. Hey guys, I don't really drink much. On bonne fois tête me clair. Quand on fait hier là. Any book boy, m'ba boy. Amen. Nico qui fait photo. Et même moi des tissus. Amen. Et belle bagarre, oui men. Là où on vit avec peur pour men. Amen. Haïtien. Amen. On est très content. You get it? All right. Thank you. All right, let's go. Ouvre ça, moi, chérie. Oh, non. Maintenant, c'est ça. Ah, ben, mon clair est sérieux, là. Vous voyez sous nom, là, Nico?
OK, Ed.
OK. On a le devant. On a monté mon yo et puis après ça, on met dehors. Hein? Ouais, big. OK. I do. I don't tell my people.
Everybody, if you don't know, now you know. This our city right here. Can we act like we at the family reunion?
I get be nice,
All out of town is welcome. If you visit us today from
You want a good picture?
to the real Is it safe? Is it safe?
Oh, here you go. Hey, funny go.
I'm not about to play with y'all out here.
Okay.
Are y'all ready for these vibes right here?
What you mean?
What is heavy, yo? What is heavy, yo? Don't play with the little booties. Don't play with the little booties.
I say about this you. Thank you. Yeah, okay.